Hi everybody. Today we have another
Hot Topic video.
That's right. And here's the bag.
Yeah.
Show the bag.
Me and Mom.
Okay.
Went to Hot Topic today.
You and Mom went to Hot Topic today. And what did you get? You got some mystery minis. Some My Little Pony mystery minis.
Including the Spike figure.
The Spike figure. Uh-oh, let's look at the Spike figure.
Twilight is
Wow.
happy.
And it's a Hot Topic exclusive. Are all of these Hot Topic exclusives?
Yes. And now let's get started to the video.
Okay. Now, tell everybody what a mystery mini is.
You see, we have a lot of characters to collect.
Uh-huh.
And we got 3 today.
Uh-huh.
So now, let's see who's inside. Woo!
See, a mystery mini is a box that's a surprise. You don't know what's inside, right, baby?
Yes.
And the first mystery mini is...
Okay, let's see.
Uh-oh, having trouble?
No, I don't. Oh!
Are you excited?
Yay! I got Nightmare Moon just like I wanted.
Nightmare Moon, that's the one you wanted, baby.
Yeah! Yay!
Nightmare Moon. Let's see. Let's show everybody what Nightmare Moon looks like. Turn around the other way. There she is.
This part's glittery up for.
That's the one you really, really wanted.
Yes.
Okay, so the first mystery mini is Nightmare Moon.
Yep.
She used to be Princess Luna,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And then she became evil and turned into Nightmare Moon.
But luckily, she turned back to Princess Luna.
That's right, she became good again. Kind of like Discord, huh?
Yeah.
Discord was a bad dragon and then became good. Okay, so let's move on to the next mystery mini.
I'm kind of having a hard time on this one.
Okay, let's see. Try working on the other one then, okay?
Okay. Okay, we're getting ready.
And I'm going to work on this other mystery mini, okay? I'm not going to open the bag, I'm just going to open the box.
Who is in here?
Who's in there?
Oh! Yay, I got Mod Pie! I wanted this figure!
Who's that?
Mod Pie! Yay!
I don't know this one.
I wanted this one so badly!
Mod Pie?
Yes! I wanted her.
I've never heard of this one before.
This is Pinkie Pie's sister.
Pinkie Pie's sister, okay.
Oh,
I've never heard of her.
Pinkie Pie's sister.
I don't know
Yes,
Pinkie
yeah.
Pie had a sister. Okay, let's look at the last mystery mini. Wow.
Ugh.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
You got some pretty cool ones then.
Ugh. Who's in here?
Oh, and this is what series, baby? The Mystery Minis? Series 3. This is the third series. The second series was Toys R Us exclusive, and Series 3 is Hot Topic exclusive, right?
Yes. Uh-oh.
Whoa!
Uh-oh.
It's the Changeling Queen.
This is so bad. Uh-oh.
Oh, she's evil! It's the Changeling Queen. She's scary. Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow, that's wicked looking.
No.
Well, see, her and Princess Luna should hang out together. Okay, baby. So now we have to talk about... Oh, that's right. We have to do Spike.
time for you to get out of your little box.
Wow. She looks hungover. She had a bad night of partying. Hi, Spike. And there's little dragon Spike. Yay. Okay, so now, baby,
What?
you're going to have to rate. Okay, so what do you rate these third series Mystery Minis that are Hot Topic exclusives?
I think that they're awesome.
You're awesome. How many stars?
80.
80 stars. Wow, 80 stars.
And Mod Pie is a hot topic.
Well, they're all Hot Topic exclusives, baby.
Why not all of them? See, Queen Chrysalis isn't.
Wow.
And Name Your Moon isn't.
Okay, so that's our video for today.
Yes.
So join us next time for another My Little Pony toy review.
Yes.
And until then, what do we say?
Pony bye.
Pony bye. Pony bye. It's always free to subscribe.
It's always free to subscribe, you know.
Bye.
Destroy all